Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. As you all know, my name is Mongai Kihara. Today we are in Ruiru, Kamakis, and behind me is an estate of 14 units, and each unit is a duplex of 5-bedroom all ensuite, and each unit has a print area of 320 square meters. As you can see, the estate has been done very well. The greenery is perfect and each home is going for only 25 million. But if you are the people who do not want to buy a house, you can let any of these units at only 150,000 Kenya shillings. If this kind of development is not your cup of tea, you can go to www.africanrealestate.com and select your favorite unit. And if you are out there, you are a developer, an agent, or a homeowner, and you would want to sell your home, just go to africanrealestate.com and post your unit. Remember to add your numbers because the client will talk to you directly. Each unit comes with a 2-car parking like this one, and as you can see from there, from the entrance of each unit, you are getting a beautiful entrance porch, but you have this hallway that takes you to the employee quarters. Let's get inside. At the entrance, you are getting some clocks if you are a visitor, but if you are special like African Real Estate, you do not need that. I'll take you inside. From the entrance, on my right hand side, you have the living room of this unit, and on my left hand side, you have the staircase that takes you to the upper levels. I like the living room. It's a beautiful space. If you have a small family of about 6 to 7 people, this space will be very ample for you. As you can see, right now we have a 7-seater couch, and the space is very well utilized. I like it that this living room comes with a window that is wall to wall, and that it brings so much light to this living room. You don't need to have your lights on during the day, but we have them on right now because we want you to see the ambience. This side you have your focal point, and I like it how the furnishing of this home has been done using hardwood timber. I also like these 2 side lights. On my far front, you have your dining area. The dining area is a good space for your family. Right now, it is a 6-seater, and this space has been utilized very well. I like it that on this side, you have your bar area, or you can use this space as a breakfast table. I like it how the developer added these cabinets that can be opened from both sides, and that makes it very easy for the crockery inside to be accessible from both sides of these spaces. Behind me, you have the space that has been reserved for your double door, and I like it that there is a lot of flow to the orientation of these spaces. At the entrance of the kitchen, you have the pantry. It has been partitioned very well, and the space will be enough for all your dry foods. The kitchen is big, sufficient, and beautiful for all your kitchen activities. I like it that it comes with a double sink, a tilting faucet, and an access of cold and hot water. Next to me, you have your 5-burner cooktop, and above it, you have your heat extractor. As you can see from there, the cabinetry has been done very well, and the spaces will be enough for all the crockery and cutlery for this unit. In addition to that, the kitchen comes with an oven and a microwave. I like it that the lighting of this kitchen comes from this big window that is just next to the sink area. This door takes you to the laundry area, the kitchen garden, and the clotheslines area. The back porch has been reserved to act as the laundry area. It comes with sockets for your washer and dryer, and you still have an industrial sink. This space has been reserved for your gas cylinders, and this is your kitchen garden. I like it that the developer made sure that he added these clotheslines for all your laundry works. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen garden, back to the kitchen, you have this door that takes you to the employee quarters. And one thing to note about the employee quarters, it can also be used as the guest bedroom. But it has been done very well. It comes with a massive closet, very good lighting, and what is very interesting is that you are getting a full bathroom with a shower cubicle and all the other fixtures that you require. The bathroom is here, and this door takes you back to the access that I showed you in the introduction of the video. Just have a look. This is what you are getting in the employee's bathroom. Before I take you upstairs, this level comes with its common washroom here, and I like how the developer utilized all the spaces in this unit. Below here, that is below the staircase, you have some spaces where you can do some shoes. Come with me. On this level, you have two of the bedrooms and the family room. This is the family room, very good space for you and your family, and this is where you sit when you are enjoying a good evening conversation or you want to relax or cool down after a very long day of work. The family room comes with a balcony, and from here you'll get the best breezes of Kamaki's area. The air is very fresh, and on my far front I can see a Catholic church, and that means that the social amenities are in very close proximity to this estate. I'll take you back inside. From here I'll show you one of the kids' bedrooms. Later we will see the primary bedroom, and then I'll take you upstairs, which looks like a penthouse, and we will see the other two bedrooms and the study. The space in this bedroom is sufficient. The light that you are getting from this window is adequate, and on my far front you have the closet of this bedroom. From there you can have a look at these two side lights. They are very beautiful, and I like it that the partitioning of these closets have been done very well, and they are white inside. This is the bathroom to this bedroom. It adopts a similar concept to the ones that we will see in the other bedrooms. And from here, we will see the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is directly opposite to the first kid's bedroom. I don't know if our lens is wide enough, but if you can check very well from there, you'll see that this bedroom comes with the two closets. You have this closet that has been reserved for your partner. It comes with a dresser and spaces for all the makeup. On the opposite side, we have a closet for the man of the house. It is similar to the other one that we've just seen, and the partitioning has been done very well for all your foldable clothes and hangable clothes. As you can see, the space is big enough for a 6x6 bed like this one, a king size or a queen size bed. I like it that the bedroom gets a ton of light from this access to the balcony that also acts as the window to this bedroom. From this balcony, you are getting the best views to the rest of the estate. And as you can see, this estate is very beautiful and serene. I'll take you back inside. Let's see the primary bathroom, and then I'll take you to the upper level. From the entrance of the primary bathroom, you are getting a double vanity. On my left hand side, you have a jacuzzi, and on my far front, you have a shower cubicle. I like it that the shower cubicle is big enough for two. The jacuzzi and the shower cubicle are being separated by the WC, and one thing to note is that this bathroom comes with smart mirrors. As I said earlier, on the upper level, we have an extra 2 bedrooms and the study. But before we get to that space, just have a look at the views that you're getting from there. Is this space not done very well? One thing to note is the design of the staircase. I like it that it has been done by metal casements, and on top of it, you have mahogany. One thing to note is that this home comes with a ladder here that takes you to the rooftop, where you have your solar water heaters and the extra water tank. Oh Jesus. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom is here, and on my far front you have the study. We will see those. This is one of the bedrooms. It has been reserved for the small kids, and it comes with 2 small beds. On this other side, you have a miniature closet. It is not the biggest, but I think it is big enough for baby clothes. This bedroom also comes with its bathroom here. The bathroom comes with a WC, a wash basin at the center, and on my far front, you have a shower cubicle. Just come with me. Let's see the study first, and later we will see the other bedroom. Start over there. If you are very keen on design, you'll notice that the developer utilized these spaces to the maximum. You are getting some spaces to act as the shelves for the kids who are in school, and still you'll have this cabinet for the laptops or anything that you want to do as you are reading. Before I take you to the other bedroom, what shape is this? It's weird, right? As much as the upper level is very usable, the developer did not compromise on the heights of the ceilings. This is the extra bedroom on this level. As you can see, it is very well done. It comes with its closet here. The closet is not the biggest, but it is just sufficient maybe for the kids of this family. Behind me, you have a small ladder. I think it's for you to climb as you are trying to wipe some cobwebs. On my far front, you have a window to this bedroom. It is not the biggest, and next to it, you have the bathroom. All the bathrooms in this unit adopt a similar concept. You are getting a wash basin, a smart mirror, a WC, and a shower cubicle. And that is very interesting because this is not a common thing to get in houses of this price range. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. As we said earlier, make sure you subscribe to this channel, follow us on TikTok, and if you are looking for more houses, go to africanrealestate.com and do your browsing. This is the agent to this estate. His name is Paul. Mr. Paul.
Yes.
Salimia watu.
How are you guys? So this is the place. I hope
enjoy. Yeah.
And subscribe to this channel, please.
Thank you very much. Sawa sawa Bwana Paul. Anyway guys, that's all for today. Goodbye.